Hi, I'm Jackie from BN Multi, and today we're making tasty salmon fingers. So you'll need half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon salt and pepper, salmon, which I've just cut into finger-sized pieces, half a cup of olive oil, and half a cup of almond meal. So just mix the spices and the pepper into the almond meal, like so. Then take a salmon finger and press it into the almond meal until it's coated on all sides, and pop it on a plate. When they're all coated, we'll get ready to fry them up in the olive oil. Heat the oil over a medium heat, just be careful that it's not smoking. And then just put in your salmon fingers gently. And lightly fry one side. And then once you're confident that the crumbs are nice and browned, gently turn them over. And leave to cook for the salmon to cook through. So here's the final product, the salmon fingers. You can mix them with a salad or have them on their own, make a meal out of it, or a snack.